So in a recent video, I showed you how to make a keyboard shortcut to switch between different transform gizmos in Blender. And it's something that you do a lot in Maya, and it's different in Blender. So it at first confused me, but now that I have these set up and Blender has upgraded to 4.0 and beyond, it's changed a little. So if I try to switch gizmos right now, and the keyboard shortcut I've set up for that is R for rotate and S for scale and T for move, I'm going to switch to scale. Oh, and it's the freehand. It's not my gizmo. So this is what's wrong. And if I switch to R, same dealio. So I don't want that. I want to see the gizmo so that I can control it better. I want it to switch to that instead, so then I can move it around without just freehanding it. The new update made this different. So I still have the shortcut set up, but what I need to do is go up to Edit, Preferences, Key Map, then go to Tool Keys, and switch from Immediate to Active Tool. Once that's done, and remember I still have all my shortcuts set up, I can just, with the click of a button, go S for scale, and I get the gizmo that I was looking for. So now when I switch between move or rotate, I don't get the freehand movement right away. I get the tool to do a measured movement instead. So I think that this is helpful. I hope that my other video didn't confuse you. It was before this change was made in Blender. So join me for more tutorials. Thanks.